One of the areas where the city dumped a lot of their snow from those city streets, and the pile behind me is probably at least 20 feet high. Now they're working on moving it into smaller piles so that it'll melt faster, but still plenty of snow out here, and there will be a fresh coating over it all before tomorrow. Piles of snow still sit on roadsides and parking lots, left over from Winter Storm Jonas. And now the forecast is calling for more tonight and tomorrow. Road crews in Harford County are gearing up.
We've kind of replenished our salt supply, and I'm going to send them out around 6 o'clock this evening, and we're going to pre-treat most of the roads overnight.
Most counties across the area have similar plans to bring crews in tonight and either pre-treat or start plowing as necessary. Baltimore City opened its Emergency Operations Center at 4 this afternoon.
We'll be out tonight looking at the bridges, overpasses, those areas that tend to freeze. The temperatures are expected to drop tonight, so we are concerned about the morning commute. We want to have the roadway prepared so when motorists travel out, they venture out, they won't be so treacherous.
After surviving 2 to 3 feet of snow just a few weeks ago, Harford County Executive Barry Glassman wants to make sure people are still cognizant this smaller snowfall can still be dangerous.
I do want folks to use common sense and to make sure that when they go out, there's going to be certain portions of roadway that could be slippery, and not to take anything for granted, but always be careful.
And good advice for anyone who has to be out on the roads tomorrow morning: take your time.
So it's important that when you venture out in the morning, you do allow extra travel time. Do not be in a hurry. Be courteous and be smart.
Transportation officials also want to remind folks that even just a dusting of snow on the roads can really make them slippery and create big problems. So be careful out there if you're traveling tonight or tomorrow morning. Reporting live at Pimlico, Kim Day, CWBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Kim.